Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eric and today we are going to draw this awesome Hachiroku. So I chose this car because its shape, it's very boxy. It's a cool looking 80s drift machine from Japan. As you can see, the half of the car is black, so that makes even easier to draw. The size of the paper is 13 × 19, but obviously you can use any size you want. I just wanna let you know that this is the size I'm gonna go for this time. I'll be using just a few markers. You can find the list of the colors down below. I'll be using this earbud. I know it sounds silly or funny, but actually it's a very useful tool. You will see what I mean. You can find out later in this video where to and how to use that. I will also be using ruler and French curves as usual. If you don't know how to use these or you don't know how to do outlines, please check out my previous video where I talk about more deeply about that. I think that's all. Let's get started. Alright, so this is where you can use the earbud. Make sure you pick up enough black powder and apply it gently onto the paper. Basically, you need to make a smooth transition between the gray and black. That's it guys for today. I hope you like this video, and please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, and see you in the next one.